Hey, this will be a video chart on MDFI. Had a bunch of people asking about this one today, and video is going to be quick because there's really only one thing that you can be pointed out, and then the rest is just pretty much sitting back and seeing what happens. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart. So all that means is that instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see posted, each one just represents 1 hour's worth of price action. The reason I wanted to do this was it best kind of represents what I'm talking about. So yes, if you are a day trader and you bought up here anywhere, then yeah, you're pretty much, this play is no good for you anymore. But for the people that are in this for the longer term play, maybe in it for the fundamentals, there is still hope. And before people call me crazy and say, how can you say that after just this massive down day today? Well, once again, we have to look at where the trend is and what is making up the trend. And from the 60-day, we have this 200 period simple moving average right here that does have an upward slope to it. And if this can hold, meaning if the price can find support there, then the trend would still remain up in the longer term. Now, once again, if you are a day trader and you bought somewhere up here, then this really doesn't apply to you. But the majority of the questions I got, the impression I kind of got was that these were from people concerned more about longer term pictures. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, very simple, but keep your eye on this simple moving average here. If the price comes down here and crashes through there, then yeah, this thing is toast. Something's just not right anymore. But if the price can come down here, consolidate a little bit like it did up here around the 50 period, and then bounce back upwards, then this trend is going to remain intact. But with what seemingly is a huge amount of downwards pressure, I'm not too confident this level will be able to hold, but this is the key level that you're going to want to watch. Like I said, the chart is as simple as that. If you want to know if this chart's still in play, let's see how it reacts around this level down here. For the risk versus reward players, I'm sure there's going to be plenty of people out here nibbling on some shares just to see if they can get a bounce. But if this level can hold, then I'd chalk this one up to something's just not right anymore, and the chart's toast for the time being. But we'll see what happens. Keep your eye on the 200 period. If you use the daily chart, the 200 period and 50-day are still right underneath the price too. But I think the 60-minute does it the best by showing, it does have this upward slope to it. So it'll just be a matter of seeing if this level can hold or not. So not to oversimplify things, but that's pretty much as you need to look at. No need to overcomplicate something like this. Yes, today was brutal for the day traders that were buying up here, but for the overall trend kind of people, let's see what happens the rest of this week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MDFI. Thanks for listening.